Hi guys, welcome to Amazing Classes. And I have ordered a book known as Atomic Habits, which is very good to build new habits and to break bad habits. So let's unbox it. Just bought it from Amazon. This is gonna be a satisfying video. Okay, I'm just gonna do it with my one hand because I don't have any other person with me. Hashtag budget issues. Because you guys don't subscribe it and I don't get paid. So do subscribing, please. Let's skip it a lot. Why isn't it falling off? I think it might be not a good day. Ah, finally. Hashtag I just used my left hand and I'm a righty. A big task for me. So it's some sort of bill, blah blah blah. And this is the final book. I just love it. I was just always waiting for to get the book. And today I have it. This is the best selling book and it's so amazing. You should read it to achieve a lot of things. So, bye.